Once, there was a quiet little girl named Liana. She loved to draw not just for fun, but because her drawings came to life. Every night, Liana would draw in her notebook. She drew flying castles, glowing birds, and magical places, and in the morning, they were real. She lived in a world full of dreams, beautiful, colorful, and peaceful. It felt perfect. One day, Liana wanted to draw a world with no sadness, no noise, no problems, only peace. The next morning, everything was quiet. Too quiet. No people, no music, no laughter. Liana walked alone. She felt something was missing. Then she understood, without sadness, there is no joy. Without noise, there is no music. So she drew again, a world with smiles, laughter, music, and even a few tears. Because all feelings are part of life. This time, the world came back to life, and it felt real and beautiful. Liana learned that the best dreams are the ones that feel real. What would you draw if your dreams could come true?